Coming out today, we finally got the snow that they called for. They hyped it all up about all the snow we never got. This here they didn't say much about, and we got about 4 or 5 inches already, and it's still snowing. So me and Fagan's going to go over and check the animals, put out some food. We need to check on a trail camera. So we'll video a little bit of the snow, what we got here where we are, and this is probably the most snow we've had here probably the whole time we've lived here. We usually just get maybe an inch or two if we're lucky. So this is pretty good. Come on, Fagan. He's enjoying it. We're heading up here to the food plot where the water bucket is. Fall down, Fagan. You can see where the birds have been in this morning. Looking down the driveway, it's still snowing pretty good. I'm gonna go out here and clean off these bird feeders. I see they're covered over with snow so the birds can get to their feed. Sure is pretty back here. We got a heater in the bird bath so the water won't freeze, so they can have water. But the snow covered up the bird seed. I filled them up last night. They can't, hard for them to dig through all that snow. I'm sure they could, but make it a little easier for them. I let the little wrens out of the workshop this morning. Curious, wondering what they think about all this snow. They sure like sleeping in that workshop out of the weather. They got a home inside of a home. Up a little bit on the ground. There, we get them back up and for the birds to get to. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bucket of corn and bird seed down here at that water hole and throw it out so that the birds have plenty of food on top of the snow. They don't have to dig down through the snow as much to get to it. Oh, the snow, Fagan. You want to investigate it? We got some corn and bird seed and some cookies in there. Oh, you want some peanuts. You want one of those? You always get one, don't you? Come on. Let's go down and put it out for the birds. Well, he's really excited about the snow. It's pretty with it hanging up here on the laurel. Where are you going, boy? Huh? Where are you gonna go? You back? Okay. For the bird. The bigger animals can dig through it. Birds have trouble. Yeah, that'd be good for them. You like the peanuts, don't you? Hey, Fagan, you like those peanuts, don't you? The water ain't froze, but it's real dirty and slushy. So I'm gonna bring some clean water over and fill that up for them so they can have some fresh water today too. Okay, Fagan, come on. Don't eat all the peanuts. They're for the birds. Hey, come on. Fagan, come on. Quit eating all the peanuts. You got food in the house. Those are for the birds. Peanut eating dog.
A miracle of miracles. Fagan, hey, it's snowing. You need your jacket on, but you've gotten so big it doesn't fit you anymore. It is snowing, it forgot I lived here. That looks like a couple, 3 inches anyway, huh? Wonder if I can get down these stairs without falling on my ass. Cool. I got up early so I could see it. It's powdery. So it's definitely really powdery. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, buddy. You like the snow puppies? You like the snow? Oh, I scared the birds. You can't even tell there's mountains out there. Well, this is awesome. I would say this may be the most snow I've ever seen. I don't know. I don't know how many inches, but it looks like it may be 3 or 4, maybe. And it's supposed to still be coming down all day. How fun is that? Best part is I was able to walk without falling on my ass.